Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to work with shapes and pictures. So to draw a picture. So let's go ahead and change the layout of this from portrait to landscape. So I'm going to go to layout and change my orientation to landscape, and I am going to draw a house. Okay, so I'm going to go to insert, and here's all these shapes we can use. Here's shapes. I'm going to get a square, I guess, and I'm going to just click and drag here, and then I'm going to go insert, and I'm going to choose a triangle, and I'm going to draw that here, and then I'm going to move it so it's on top of there, and then I'm going to draw a sun, insert a circle. And if you hold down, I think it's a shift key, and drag, it'll make a perfect circle. Okay, and I'm going to make this be yellow. So when I have a shape like this, I have the Drawing Tools Format tab open, and so I can do anything to this shape that I want using this whole ribbon. So I'm going to change the shape fill to yellow. And then I need to put it behind the house. I don't want it to be in front. So right here, I can say send backward. Okay. I can also change the outline border so it's not black. I can make it also be yellow. Okay. I can make it be a specific size. Right now it's 2.47. I could click that and say I want it to be 4 inches tall and 2 inches wide for whatever reason, just to show you how you can change it. Okay. You can also just click and drag to change the size of it too. Okay. And I can, once my picture's done, this is a terrible picture. But anyway, oh, by the way, I can bring this forward. So when I click here, I can do bring forward, and that brings that in front of the sun. So then I can, in order to select all of these and group them and make them one picture, to be able to move them around, because see, if I want to move them around, I have to move each one separately. If I want to be able to move them all at the same time, I can click on one and then hold down the control key on the keyboard. And then when I do that, my pointer becomes a plus sign, and I click, and then I keep clicking until it's all selected. Okay, and then you click on the Drawing Tools format, you click group, and now it's one big picture, and you can move it wherever you want. If you change your mind and you don't want it to be grouped, just click on it and go here to group and do ungroup, and then click off, and then now you can move each one individually. Okay, another thing I want to show you is how to insert a picture. So I'm going to go to insert picture. And well, we can do one off of the computer, absolutely. I'm going to do an online picture though instead, and I'm going to look for a window. Okay, and I want, for type, I want a clip art. Okay, and I'm just going to say I want this window, so I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go insert. Okay, and then I'm going to resize it. And I'm going to put it here. I can't move it. It's not letting me move. So I'm going to click here. This is my layout options, and I can tell it how I want it to be so I can move it freely. Right now it's in line with text, and it's difficult to move it that way. I'm going to choose in front of text, and then now I can click and drag. And plus it's on the front, and I like that. Okay. And again, you can resize it. You can also change the size up here if you'd like. You can rotate it if you want. Like this. I don't know why you'd want to do that with the window, but whatever. And then layout options. Yep. And then you can put a border around the picture also. So picture tools format, and then here's all these picture styles. Like there's a border for it. And if you click on the down arrow, there's a whole bunch of other ones too that you could put in there. So then there you have that.